Good afternoon. This is Tina from Gardening Blooms, and I am looking at my peach tree today. And most of the peaches are ripened, and they're ready to be used. And I'm thinking because there are so many peaches that I'll be freezing those for the future use. I can make cobbler, I can use for the pies or milkshake or any of that. So I'm planning to do that, and to freeze it. Prior to freezing, I need to blanch those. So I will be working on that. So I have removed couple of those peaches and they are ready to start on the blanching. So let's begin in the kitchen. For that, you need the pot to boil. I have a double broiler. Also, you need the icy cold water. Add some ice in the water. You need firm, fresh, ripened peaches. Also, you need something to strainer to remove the and strain the peach water. Also, you need some sugar and the timer so you can time it, container to store your peaches, and a board to cut with your knife. So let's begin the actual process of blanching. Let the water boil complete boiling point. It is boiling, and now I'll add the peaches in the boiling water. I have added only as many it can fit at the submerged water. Let it boil 1 minute. They are boiling at I have put the timer on, and the timer just went off, and they are ready to remove from the boiling water, and they will be added to the icy cold water. So I'll be removing that. I just removed those and added it in the icy cold water. I'll wait for them to cool off a little bit, and then we'll process the next step. As you can see, they are already beginning to peel off. Their skins are peeling off, and it will be very easy to remove the the skin. So I will do that, and we'll see the next step. Okay, so here is the page that I will be working on. Um, the skin came out very easily, and the next step will be making little slices so they can be stored in the container for the cobbler, pie, or any milkshake or anything you want to use for. So so I just removed my peaches, and I have sliced that. The peaches, Okay, so I have sliced the peaches and I want to store those in the container. 1 by 1 you can get the other peaches ready. Yeah, it gets softer to handle because they are peeled and they are a little bit blanched in the boiling water, but it's worth the process. They get better preserved and um, and it will be stored almost 6 months to a year if you can wait that long. But other than that, they will go very fast. As you can see that they will be ready to be used. When we were removing, some of the peaches were fallen and kind of bruised. But you can remove anything bruised when you're handling the peaches, and select only the nicer part of it. Okay. So basically, your blanching is done. Um, Now I will add some sugar on it, and we will be ready to freeze. Seems to be there are almost 1.5 cups of peaches. I have not peeled all the peaches. I'll be working on that as we progress. But for the video purposes, I'll be just using 2 or 3 peaches, and then I added 2 spoons of sugar on it, 2 teaspoon. There they are. I added the sugar, and now I'll be freezing those. Prior to that, I'm going to make a label which says today's date, and then I will um, write that what it is. It's the peaches for cobbler or pies or any of that, and then they will be immediately available for your future use. So hoping you like the video. Please like our channel and subscribe so we can send you the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and have a blessed day. Tina from Garden in Blooms. Thank you. Bye.